One of my favorite cookies, cinnamon roll cookies. It's a slice and bake cookie filled with cinnamon sugar, a little bit of icing. It tastes like a cinnamon roll in cookie form.
It starts with half a cup of unsalted butter that's been softened, 2/3 of a cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar. Mix that together until it's nice and creamed, and add 1 large egg and a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt and 2 cups of all-purpose flour. The filling is 1/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar with 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. You're gonna divide the dough in half, roll it out into a nice big rectangle, and then top it with that filling and roll it back up. And these are slice and bake cookies that we're going to chill.
Quick tip, when you put these in the refrigerator, go ahead and put them in a drinking glass standing upright instead of laying flat, and you won't get that flat side of the cookie.
Once they're chilled, slice them into thin slices, place them on a cookie sheet lined with parchment or a silicone baking mat, bake them at 350, and we're gonna make that icing with 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk.
Once they are baked, you can drizzle them with that icing and they taste just like a cinnamon roll, but they're in cookie form. These are perfect for the holidays. They even freeze great. You're going to love them. If you don't follow me already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and keep watching for even more desserts.